Once upon a time, in a small village near a mysterious forest, lived three sisters. Leela, the eldest, was known for her wisdom. Meera, the middle sister, had unmatched courage, and the youngest, Sana, had a heart full of kindness. They loved each other deeply, and though they were different, they were bound by their sisterly bond. One evening, while gathered around the fire, their grandmother told them of a magical place. The Magic Valley is a place where wishes come true, but only for those pure of heart. The valley will test your spirit, and your choices will guide you. It is not just magic that leads the way. The sisters' eyes lit up with excitement. They wanted to find the Magic Valley and see if the legend was true. Early the next morning, the three sisters set out into the enchanted forest. Leela carried a map, leading the way with her wisdom. Meera, always ready for adventure, kept a watchful eye on their surroundings. Sana, with her love for nature, picked flowers and greeted small animals along their path. As they walked deeper into the forest, they encountered a shimmering river, wide and deep. It seemed impossible to cross. The sisters stood at the river bank, puzzled. Suddenly, a golden fish appeared, its scales glowing in the sunlight. "Fish," mysterious, calming voice, "if you wish to cross, you must offer something from your heart." Leela, thoughtful, "We need to find a way. But we must be careful." Meera, determined, "Maybe I can measure the depth." She tries to poke the river with a stick but fails. Sana, gently, "I'll offer my kindness." She kneels and places a flower in the water. "Here, take this flower as a symbol of love." The fish smiled, and with a flick of its tail, a bridge of light appeared over the river. The sisters crossed safely, realizing that Sana's kindness had opened the way. Soon, the sisters reached the edge of the Magic Valley, but a thick mist surrounded it. A booming voice echoed through the air. "Only those who are true to themselves may enter. Face your deepest temptations, and let your choices guide you." One by one, the sisters were tested. First, Leela. She saw visions of herself as the wisest person in the world, with all knowledge at her fingertips. Leela, calm, resolute, wisdom is meant to be shared, not hoarded for power. Her vision faded, and the mist around her cleared. Next was Meera. She saw herself as the bravest warrior, feared by all, able to conquer any challenge. Meera, firm, grounded, true courage isn't about defeating others, but about protecting those I love. Her vision disappeared, and the path opened for her. Finally, it was Sana's turn. She saw a world where there was only happiness, no sadness, no hardship. Sana, soft, yet wise, sadness is part of life's beauty. Happiness is greater when shared, even in difficult times. With that, the mist lifted, and the sisters were allowed to enter the Magic Valley. Inside, the valley was more beautiful than anything they had imagined. Flowers glowed with colors they had never seen, and a gentle breeze carried the sound of music. In the center of the valley stood an ancient tree, its branches heavy with golden fruit. "Tree, deep, wise voice, you have passed the tests of the Magic Valley. Your wisdom, courage, and kindness have brought you here. Now, each of you may ask for one wish." Leela stepped forward. "Leela, humble, I wish for more wisdom, so that I may help others." Meera followed. "Meera, brave, I wish for strength to protect the people I love." Finally, Sana spoke. "Sana, kind, gentle, I wish for more kindness, so that I may spread love to everyone I meet." The tree's branches glowed with a brilliant light, and their wishes were granted. But before they left, the tree spoke again. "Tree, solemn, remember, true magic lies not in your wishes, but in how you use your gifts." The sisters returned home, changed by their journey. Leela shared her wisdom with the village, helping those who sought her guidance. Meera used her courage to protect the weak, standing up for justice. And Sana spread kindness wherever she went, making the world a better place with her warmth and love. True magic doesn't come from wishes. It lives in the choices we make, guided by wisdom, courage, and kindness. In the end, it is our actions that make the world a better place.